Alright everybody, how y'all doing and welcome back to my channel. I had purchased a webcam last week off Amazon by the company Tewiky. Now the general webcam that I had purchased, I've been noticing a lot of flickering and a lot of distortion into my microphone, which is the mic you're seeing, FS USB. The microphone is great, but since that I connected everything through the general webcam, I've been noticing a lot of flickering in the videos. So what I'm here to do today is unbox the Tewiky 1080p webcam for home personal use, and you can use it for video conference, etc. So when you do your little videos for YouTube and you sitting at your desk, or you can just set up in the comfort of your home, how you are as the videographer, you can go ahead and enjoy giving out good information at 1080p with no issues. Okay, now since I had explained the reason why I'm switching to the Tewiky webcam, let's get into the unboxing. Alrighty, what we have in front of us is now the Tewiky autofocus HD video webcam. It has a stereo microphone, privacy cover, plug and play, tripod. It has full HD, plug and play, built-in microphone, rollable clip. That's a good thing. One thing about it, as y'all already know and I always practice this, is the presentation. If this was sitting on the store shelves, of course it would be sold. Now I paid a little bit under $16. Now I watched a lot of good reviews on it. I also purchased off the person's link to go ahead on and support their channel as well. And I want y'all to do the same for me. If you're looking for a good webcam, this will be it. So now let's go under the box. And look how nice that box is. So that's one thing, is the presentation is very good. So now what do we have? It comes with its own tabletop tripod. So if you want to go ahead on and set up on the table, you can go ahead on and do everything from there. And the main event, the webcam itself. And one thing that I like is no false advertising. It has your privacy cover. So when you finish, just close it. 2, it keeps a lot of dust and stuff getting on the lens, so you don't have to worry about cleaning it before you start your video. When you're done, close it. It has a tripod mount, so you can go ahead and mount it to your basic tripod. Just like I said, it is rotatable, 360 degrees rotatable. It has your monitor support. Oh, and I like this nice good phone. Yeah, so yeah, this is pretty well durable onto that there. So yes, the durability is there, and you cannot go wrong with that. And the length of the cord is your basic good length, 3 feet. So you can go ahead on and connect it to your laptop, PC, etc. And it is Mac OS certified as well too. If you don't know what you're doing, I always say manual. There's nothing wrong going over your manual. Brief, quick instructions of how to set it up and how to use it. 200 million pixels, CMOS HD image sensor, automatic color correction, automatic low light correction, automatic flickering correction. Now, just like I mentioned into the webcam, general webcam that I had automatic. It didn't have automatic flickering. It just started flickering. And a couple of videos that I had done with that camera, I noticed that, and that was beginning to bother me. And a lot of viewers noticed that as well too. Let me know, hey Ron, you need to change your webcam, because with the flickering, that's bad for us viewers to watch. So yes, I agree with that there. Now the system requirements I'm gonna go over requires 1.5 gigahertz processor or higher. So just like I said, if you're on a low end processor, if you're on a 2 cores, 2 threads, probably 2.5 gigahertz, or you probably still on the Pentium processors. So we're talking about old school stuff back in the late 90s. That was 1.8 gigahertz to 2 gigahertz. Yeah, those still exist, and if you're still operating Windows XP, it supports Windows 32 and 64-bit, Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Windows 11, Vista, macOS, and Linux with UVC drivers or later. Support the Android system, so if you do have Chromebooks, it supports that, because we know all Chromebooks have raggedy cameras. So yes, you need to upgrade, because their camera system is like lower than 720p. So yeah, you need to upgrade your cameras to YUV, MJPEG, and so on. So yes, always read your manual. It is good to go. Now I am waiting on the piece to come in, so give me about like a day or two to set up everything and close out everything using the Tewiky 1080p autofocus HD video webcam. Alright everybody, how y'all doing? I am now using the Tewiky USB camera microphone on it. You probably hear me nice, good, and clear. As I'm doing it on OBS, I hear myself nice, good, and clear. I'm seeing the volumes, everything looking nice, good, and clean. I am using the Tewiky USB camera microphone for the system as my main mic source. So I had turned off my mic you seen on USB FS microphone. So I'm using the USB Tewiky camera microphone, and pretty much I can't complain. It sounds pretty good, looking good. So y'all decide if you had to use the microphone for the camera, or would you go buy you one? I'm gonna leave that up to you. Alright, bye. Alright everybody, how y'all doing, and welcome back. This is the conclusion of the Tewiky 1080p video wide angle camera privacy cover for desktop PCs, laptop computers, and Linux and Mac systems. Alrighty, I love it. I really love this camera here. I mean, right now you're looking at the picture right now. It does have its autofocus. So as on the here on to my left, I have a full-blown all light coming in through the sliding glass door, which I'm working on getting some blinds for to cover some of that sunlight. But other than that, the camera is good. Now, the reason why I switched, here is the general webcam. With this camera here, what I was noticing is that it was doing a lot of flickering while I'm doing a video. That flickering was kind of annoying. Some of y'all probably saw it in some of my videos recently, some of y'all did not. So I noticed it a couple of times when I did the videos, and then when I noticed it when I started and I wait for like 5-10 seconds, I noticed the flickering was going on. So I said, you know what, I enjoyed this. This camera came off AliExpress, but the main thing I purchased it for was, one, it's supposed to have a privacy cover. It didn't have that. Two, it don't have any tripod connect. As you see, no tripod connect. So this here is pretty much basically for Windows 7, Windows 8 systems. Once the updates for Windows 10 start progressing, this is when I noticed the camera start flickering. So one thing I love about the Tewiky webcam, when I'm done and I'm gonna show you while I'm doing this video, I could go ahead on and shut the privacy cover for privacy. So when I'm going ahead on and doing that there, I don't have to worry about no one trying to log in or do anything like that. Let's open it back up. And it has autofocus. So as you saw, it clearly focused on me, and that's a good thing right there too. That's the main thing I want the camera for, is privacy protection. Even though my systems are turned off, when I'm done, I like to go ahead and keep dust from getting on the lens, so that cover really helps out a lot, and I cannot go wrong with that. So let's go ahead on and switch on over to the final, and there she go. Now, if you are interested in the camera, I got this camera on sale during Black Friday. I got it for under like 15 and some change, but the regular retail price is $25.99. My main camera was the Logitech Brio with the privacy cover. That's going for a little over. Now the camera I mentioned, the Logitech Brio, I'll be putting down in the description below if you want to go ahead on there and purchase that camera instead of the Tewiky camera. But right now, for $25.99, under $26, this camera is on point. It is HD 1080p. Now the general webcam, as I have right here, is supposed to have 2K, but as y'all notice, I don't put anything in 2K, and I do have a system to switch everything in 2K. Y'all keep in mind, we are still on 720p and 1080p monitors. None of us didn't sit down here and get caught into gamers universe to go buy all these high-end expensive monitors. No, no, no. So we still watch out for the Gen 1080p, 720p. So just keep uploading it. It's okay, it's good. I'm watching it, so I ain't got no issues with it. But the Tewiky 1080p video wide angle camera, and trust me, she is wide angle. I mean, she's so wide, she goes to 180 degrees strip long. That's how wide she is. And she be picking up everything that you do not want to be popping in your videos. So make sure if you're using OBS or any other type source of like Microsoft camera app or whatever camera app you're using, make sure you are in a room where there's not much movement going on, because you're gonna pick up every corners, every hallway, everything with this camera. So enough talking. I'm pretty much satisfied with this camera. This will be my last upgrade on my camera. Will I be using this in the room on my rig in the room? Maybe, maybe not. That's up to me, because that Logitech C615 is doing good. But like I said, all my footage is in 1080p. I could care less about the 4K or the 2K. I'm not into that kind of type footage. 1080p is where I'm at. 1080p is where I'm going to stick at. And that's pretty much it. Will I recommend Tewiky? Of course. I love this camera so much, I want you to enjoy it. And I'll be putting the link in the description below, as well as Logitech Brio, because Logitech is one of the brands I do use. And CyberAcusa is another brand that I use, but I recently stopped buying their products because they unsubscribed from my channel. And I was working on building some kind of subscription with them because I love their products. So I'll be putting Tewiky is the main brand, then Logitech, then CyberAcusa if the price is right. If the price is not right, I will not have any affiliate link description in the video description below. Y'all keep in mind, I get commission off these products I'm revealing, and I want y'all to go ahead and support that as well too. So now, just like I said, I love this camera. This camera is good. And she works great at night. So I want to go ahead on and close this video out. Thank y'all for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.